Drones get a pretty bad rap in the media, but a worldwide community of FPV pilots use them to experience the world in different ways, meet new friends, and change their lives.
How would you describe FPV?
I think FPV is something that brings people of all walks in life together.
Funny way to I'd describe it is sitting in a nice open field with a TV on your face.
FPV is fast-paced, fun, educational. It's a great way to get out, meet people, have fun, and just enjoy a technical hobby.
It's brilliant. It's the thrill of flying without having to actually fly.
It's an out-of-body experience. It's like being a jet fighter pilot.
But it's a lot of fun.
FPV is probably the most fun hobby that I've ever had.
It lets you disconnect from your body and just kind of create a flow.
And it just brings the whole community together.
Just a fun way to get out there and get outside and play with technology.
Why do you do FPV?
The reason we do FPV, this is Thomas and myself, it's basically a sport that we can do together. He wanted to learn to fly, that's how we started.
Because it's fun. I love the feeling of flying, and I've always loved planes and aviation.
I fly FPV because I love the thrill of speed, but I also really enjoy building things, designing things.
I do FPV because I want to fly.
Well, I just really love the challenge of building, firstly.
Something that's always challenging, always pushing you, whether it be the technology, learning new things.
It's just a way to experience what it's like to be a pilot, but with like being able to fly like in Star Wars.
FPV puts me in the pilot seat, so I feel like I'm flying.
There's just so much to learn in this hobby, so if you want to continually learn, continually push yourself, it just ticks so many boxes, and that's probably the main reason that Thomas and myself do it. And just getting out there, having fun, and being able to share stories with each other about the day and how things went and all that, it brings a lot to the table.
I just love the feeling of flight. Like I've always been in love with flight.
How's this hobby changed your lifestyle?
I've met a lot of people, a lot of new friends that I wouldn't have had.
From my personal perspective, it's changed our lifestyle quite significantly, because this was meant to be essentially just a hobby, and when we got into it...
Well, I didn't really have much hobbies before this, so this is something that I've really immersed myself in, and I've really found great friendships and just a community that I can be part of and come along, and even if you're a little bit different or you're a little bit weird, the community's really diverse and friendly and really accepting of everybody.
I think a hell of a lot more about FPV and flying.
I spend a lot more time flying than I do homework right now.
So we get out there and work together as a team really well. Even my wife gets involved with a lot of what we do. So in that sense, it's been really, really positive. So like I said, it brings everyone together, and it's changed our lives, where Thomas has dumped a whole heap of workload on me. But we do it.
It's good to get out with guys and people with the same hobby and same interests that you do.
I just try and fit FPV in wherever I can. So it's kind of just like taking a little bit of my life, which is fun.
Yeah, it's been great.
What's your favourite part of FPV?
Favourite part of FPV, I think, is just getting out there and having fun.
Just doing stunts, it's like just being free, a free feeling.
It's got to be the community. You can't really emphasise how important it is for there to be people that are like you, that you can just fit in with, that you can have fun with, and you can do something you really love with.
Favourite part is actually the flying, followed by all of the stuff that you learn. And this is what I love about it, is that you're constantly learning, and you also get to meet so many great people with it too.
I love the community. So the community that we've created here and online, and everyone's so willing to help everyone else, someone new, someone who's been in FPV for a while, want to try something new. There's always parts being handed around, tools, everything. Just so much kindness and lovely people.
What's one message you'd like to share about FPV?
A message I'd like to share about FPV is share the hobby with people and share it with the community. If you come across people in parks and stuff like that, call them over, show them what you're using, share your goggles with them, let them have a look and see what the view's like. Just basically getting out there and sharing a hobby that's fantastic, it's educational. So I think it just brings so much to everyone's lives.
Just get out there and do it. It's a lot of fun to build the quad. It's a lot of fun to fly in. It's the people you meet. It's a lot of fun. The places you can go and see, and just see things in a different way. that you would never otherwise do.
FPV is great. Look into it. Don't think that it's too difficult. There's really an entry point for all levels of skill and understanding, and everyone can learn how to do it if you're willing to put the time in and the discipline to learn the skills. And once you do, it's a really satisfying experience.
It's a lot of fun. It seems a bit expensive to start with, but compared with other hobbies that I've been involved with, it's not that expensive. It's actually quite good, quite cheap.
Get into the community, meet people, learn, and then build a quad if you really want to get into it. It's really awesome. Just get in amongst the community. You can do it online, Facebook, Instagram, anything.